In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure firewall and internet security settings for QuickBooks Desktop. We're going to walk through the process clearly and carefully so QuickBooks has the access it needs to communicate properly through Windows Firewall. This can help prevent connection issues and improve how the program works, especially if firewall settings are blocking it in the background. To begin, press the Windows button on your keyboard and search for Windows Firewall. When you see it in the results, open it. This will take you to the main firewall settings area, where you can control what apps and connections are allowed through your system. Once you're in, click Allow an app on the left-hand side. In this section, look through the list and find QuickBooks. When you locate it, make sure it's enabled. This step allows QuickBooks through the firewall using the standard app permissions, and it's a good first check before creating any advanced rules. Next, click Advanced Settings on the left. This opens the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security panel, which gives you more control over specific rules for ports and programs. From here, right-click Inbound Rules and choose New Rule. When the Rule Wizard opens, select Port, then choose TCP. You'll then be asked to enter the specific port number. Add port 8099 since that is the port QuickBooks Desktop uses. After that, click Next, select Allow the connection and continue through the prompts. When you reach the naming screen, give the rule a clear name, such as QuickBooks, so it's easy to recognize later if you ever need to review or edit it. After creating the port rule, the next step is to make a program exception as well. This helps ensure that Windows Firewall recognizes the QuickBooks application itself, not just the port it uses. Click Inbound Rules again and select New Rule. This time choose Program. You'll need to browse to the QuickBooks program file. It's usually located in the Program Files folder, inside the Intuit and QuickBooks folders. Find the executable file, which is the main exe file for your QuickBooks installation, and select it. Once you've chosen the file, continue by selecting Allow the connection, then finish the setup and give this rule a name too, again using something simple and recognizable so you can identify it easily later. And that's it. You've now enabled QuickBooks in the basic firewall app settings, added the necessary TCP port rule, and created a program exception for the QuickBooks executable. These steps can make a big difference if QuickBooks is having trouble connecting or being blocked by your security settings.